Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Good morning, Papa. You have a resting late today.
Yes, indeed, my princess. Papa was working late at night.
What are you working on, Papa?
My anti-slavery campaign, my dear.
Huh?
By the way, Florence, slavery is an evil thing. This should be stopped. No one's allowed to own another human to force them to work without any pay.
Yes, Papa. Slavery is indeed cruel.
What are you doing, my dear?
Do you like the embroidery, Papa? I'm making for you.
That's a very kind of yours, my dear. And by the way, have you done the schoolwork I gave it to you?
Of course, Papa. I finished them all. And you know what? I feel like help to other people, just like you. And you know, I would like to work in hospital when I grow up.
It's impossible. Only men can become a doctor.
But I don't want to be a doctor. I want to be a nurse.
It's a nonsense. I will let it happen.
Going home, Mary? Yes, Miss Florence. My Henry is sick, you know. No, I didn't know. Let me come with you. No, Miss Florence. Your father wouldn't like it. Nonsense. You and Harry have been with us forever.
He should be in the hospital.
That's a place you could die.
No, they have a medicine and nurses who could help Henry get better.
You have never been in a hospital, haven't you?
No.
When your family gets sick, Miss Florence, the best doctors come to visit. But in a hospital, the patients are packed together and smells like the devil. The nurses are cruel. They sometimes push the patient off the bed so they can nap.
That's not true.
I've been there, Miss Florence. I know.
Hello, Mary. Come along, Florence.
Florence, is it true that you're helping in hospital as a nurse? My dear child, a nurse? Yes, Mama, it's all true. No more, Florence, of this nonsense nursing stuff. Lord Hopkins is coming, and I think he is perfect to be your husband. But Mama... Florence!
My dear.
William, talk to your daughter.
My Florence, go on with Lord Hopkins. He's waiting downstairs. Go on, my dear. Good evening, my lady.
Good evening, my lord.
Oh, my Florence, what a beauty you are. You are pretty to be my wife.
No, pardon me, Lord Hopkins. I can manage.
What? But why? Am I not suitable to be your husband? I'm an influential person, and I can provide you more than what you need.
Sorry, but to be married now, it seems like I'm beginning the life God.
Oh no.
Who are you ladies?
Hi, I'm Florence Nightingale. We are nurses, and we are sent here to help.
Can we see the wounded? We want to start right away.
Follow me, ma'am. It's not what you can call a hospital, but it's the least we could do. Ma'am, a cup of water, please.
Sir, Miss Nightingale wants to have a word with you.
Let her in.
What's this?
It's all necessary.
Towels? Bandages?
I've been giving orders to help this man.
They may have given you fancy orders, but to me,
You're nothing but a mere cleaning lady.
They are creating this men wrong me. And looks like we're just a tool. We must stay and show them our devotion.
The man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I'm looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't get up your mind. So be with the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never had a sign.
John! I need nurses. I can't do this on my own. I need their help. We don't need the nurses. They're just a bother. What?
Sir, the 1W1-2 soldiers are coming. They're on the way.
What?
Florence, our bandit soldiers are coming. We need your help.
She made us look so bad.
Sir, Miss Nightingale volunteered to go to the front lines to tend the wounded soldiers there.
Let her be.
Hey,
Dear God, Miss Nightingale is sick due to overfatigue and she haven't eaten for 3 days. Please pray for her, okay?
We will.
Florence, pull through. This brooch says, "Blessed are the merciful." And here's a letter that your parents gave me. It says, "Dearest Florence, we are so proud of you. We wish to see you soon. We miss you a lot, our Florence. Please do always take care of yourself."
Salute to your superior, soldier. But my leg, it's injured, sir. It looks fine to me. It's internal, sir.
Miss Nightingale is here. Really, where is she? She's back.
Para pagkagabi niyo. Hindi ko tatagay.
Ganyan lang. Hoy!
Papanawarin mo.
Ganun din, kailangan din talaga.
By the way,
wala kayo Harvey.
what are you doing with Florence?
Muna lang ako.
Have you done your spaghetti? Ay, video? What is that?
Try nga natin video ang mga kami. Diga, grabe ka naman yung ano, pero tingnan natin, mamaya makapag-confident din natin. Try mo na. Try mo na. Tap mo na.
그댈 떠올리며 이제 다시 꼭 눈을 감죠.